birthday present in advance.
You already opened it, so you know what it is.
Yes. Because we have to start using it immediately. Because we live in a country with a sugar tax. These crazy people in Norway punish people for needing ice cream. It's beautiful.
I'm glad you like it.
We got a new essential machine for the boat. An ice cream maker.
It's very big.
Oh, here's where you put the things.
So tiny.
Yeah, the machine is really big. This is really... But it's supposed to be all contained, so it's just... We just need to put in the stuff and then it makes ice cream.
Nice.
It's awesome.
So you don't need recipe because you remembered it from reading it once?
Yeah, if you make like nice sweet stuff, you don't need recipe. You just put nice stuff in it and the sugar is like 1 stone.
Did you smuggle it from Sweden?
Yeah, it's smuggled. I am not an expert in egg separation.
Oh no, I'm an expert in this. I'm a brilliant expert. Which one do you need? The
yellow part in the bucket. And then we need to fry the rest or something for other stuff.
That's why I'm not an expert.
Anymore.
I need another egg.
This is now a cooking channel.
Hello and welcome to Total Failure. First, you need to remove the embryo from the chicken. This is the embryo.
Ask any vegan, they will tell you their truth.
You are my... Kanske sådär.
And then some sugar. But we don't need that much sugar because we have the berries. It's crystallized.
Men kanske man måste smash it. Did you place it in... jag vet inte om den kanske måste stå så här båg, alltså att den, jag vet inte.
Have you got to the point where you put the plug in the socket yet?
Okej, så har vi bytt från den till det läget. Den ju...
Yesterday I made a hole in the boat, finally, for the chimney. And now we're gonna try it.
So cute.
Move the trombone and the radio. So while the ice cream is preparing, we are going to try this thing. And I think I finally found the perfect place for the chimney to be, because it's not in the way when you are up on doing things at the mast, and it's not in the way for the boat cinema there.
But one question.
Yes.
Did you put this stuff in there?
I plugged it with
And you think it's
foil.
not gonna sip out there right now?
We can take some extra.
Or maybe we leave it to see if there is, so we know if there is.
If there is a leak.
Yeah, then we see it directly.
And then we do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And I will put the reflex a bit further here. Cut this pipe a bit and then maybe do a Y-shaped, maybe welds, if we can weld a pipe here. And then it's also not in the way for the TV and not too much in the way and still heating the floor. And I think I got inspired by the great master of yacht design, Sven Yrvind, which during his long career as a yacht designer has come up with the most advanced angles. And you have to see his channel, it's amazing. He's building a small boat to sail to New Zealand. Okay.
Let's fill it up. I brought the US knife from Norway to, and then I brought this. So we
Do
can
we have a lighter?
quickly.
Lighter?
I didn't bring that. Maybe you have one. The machine sounds a bit. Oh, wow! Look!
Oh my god, it's ice cream. It's already done.
I think maybe we put a bit too much in it. Is there any sand there now, or?
Yeah, there is some sand, but we won't make a big fire today, I think.
Okay.
We do the cheat code today.
Yeah.
Here.
But it's very you should not. It drips, so you should have it inside the oven when it's a very.
But it's not that quick.
Oh my god! Wow, it's like a really sucking oven.
It's working.
But it's det ryker in massa.
It's supposed to smell a bit.
You need to close it maybe. We cannot hear it now because the ice cream machine is too loud. So it's hard to know how it works. Should we open and see if there is
Heating yourself up and cooling yourself down at the same time.
Should we look at the smoke to see if it's
Pretty fine for
it's not totally black?
no. Pretty good.
You designed this oven and built it yourself?
Yes. But should I make a video about it?
Yeah.
But I haven't filmed when I put the chimney in because I just wanted to make it.
And then you got some welding help in the end for this
Yeah, for the
mount.
mount. I should have had this when I sailed here when it was so freaking cold.
Yeah.
It's really good to have some kind of extra.
And is it leaking here?
I don't think so.
This is a chimney.
Chimney pipe, 15 centimeters wide, and I just had it lying around at home. It's just made from junk.
Where is the fire thing? Oh, it's there.
I've dreamt about making a wood stove with just regular exhaust pipe. So this is 3 inches pipe, so it's just standard. You can buy it very cheap, and that's just because chimney pipe, this stuff is like $50 for a meter maybe, or half a meter maybe.
It's so cute.
Make some coffee, boiling water under the TV.
Maybe we need to have some kind of umbrella here. It works really good. I'm impressed, I must say.
Yeah, it's quite warm. Oh my god. Do you like it? Esh is the universal word for
Oh no.
darn.
Are you happy with your new situation?
We got heat, we got cold. Did we create this? Imagine being too warm in a really hot country, and the solar panels are making all the electricity we could ever need, and we can make as much ice cream as we need to cool ourselves down. And then we can make all our food in the ice cream machine, because then all things should be cooled.
It's so cute.
It makes smoke rings.
Smoke rings. It's a smoke ring machine.
It's, I don't know. But maybe it's...
Maybe we should open a bit more up. Oh my god. You are a genius. I love it. Oh.
Oops. Maybe we need some lids for those.
Yeah. I think so.
But why does it make it
We
backwards?
need some. Kan jag få den där?
Oh, you can just plug it with some... Just plug it with some...
Alright.
Make some plugs, but